Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice glossy blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.5 liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front with blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior floor mats with USB-Cs. We do get cup holders and arm space with plenty of door space in the back. A little storage cubby here with your storage underneath. Taking a look at the back here, or at the front, we do have manual driver and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, gas cap, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 98 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control, digital speedometer, and lane centering with my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, cup holders, and tons of storage. You got normal storage underneath as well. We have engine starts up, 12 volt outlets, volume, playback, play forward, comm screen, hazards, and auto hold, infotainment system, storage above, normal below, and our powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We got your audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, climate control at the bottom. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, settings, just your normal vehicle settings, features of the vehicle, towing, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB64334, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.